Namaste, welcome to Flavors. Today I'll be sharing a very simple recipe of pav bhaji. To begin, in a pressure cooker, I have taken 6 raw and cut potatoes and 6 tomatoes on which I have made a mark like this. This makes the peeling easier. Adding them to the pressure cooker. Adding 1 bowl of frozen washed peas and adding around 2 glasses of water. Add 2 teaspoons salt. Give 5 to 6 whistles on high flame. Till the potatoes are getting boiled, we'll start preparing the bhaji. Let's look at the ingredients first. I've used 2-3 chopped onions, 1 chopped capsicum, some ginger garlic paste, chopped coriander, 1 spoon of Szechuan chutney. For the spices, I'll need salt, turmeric, and of course pav bhaji masala. We'll take a kadai, grease it with some ghee. We'll add some butter. Adding some cumin seeds. Adding the chopped onions. Adding 1 spoon ginger garlic paste. Saute it well. Adding very little coriander. Once the onions are slightly pink in color, we'll add the capsicum. Mix it well. We have to saute it for around 3-4 minutes. After around 5 minutes, adding 1 spoon Szechuan chutney. Give it a mix. Adding some salt. Remember that we've already added salt while boiling potatoes. Very little turmeric powder. Adding pav bhaji masala. Around 2-3 spoons. Mix it well. We'll add some water and let it simmer for 10 minutes till we add the tomato and potato mixture. Once the steam has released from the potatoes, we'll strain the mixture. Carefully We'll remove the tomato skin and put it in the blender. Once we have removed all the skin and tomatoes have slightly cooled down, we'll blend it into a smooth paste. Till that time, we'll lightly mash the potatoes. We'll add the mashed potatoes in the bhaji. Transferring the rest of the boiled potatoes and peas mixture. Adding the rest of the potatoes. Give it a good mix. Adding the leftover water from the boiled potatoes. Leave it on low flame and let it simmer for around 15-20 minutes. Once the bhaji has boiled for around 20-25 minutes, adding some more butter. Mixing it well. Adding some coriander leaves. In the meantime, we'll roast the pav. Heat a tawa. Grease it with butter. Slice a bun. Apply some butter. Very little butter on the other side. Press it gently. Flip it. This pav bhaji is ready to serve. Do try this recipe. If you like it, give my video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. Do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.